Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your custom outfits for your characters or avatars on Roblox Mobile. Okay, first, open up the Roblox app, head over to your avatar and start customizing its look. Once you have got a unique style you want to save, go back to the main customization page and tap the plus icon beside the rest of your saved avatars. Now enter a name for the new character and tap save. Your new character has now been saved on mobile. They will call each saved outfit a character, but when you're on desktop, it's called a costume. When you're on the browser or desktop version of Roblox, you will find your new saved outfits and characters by tapping on your avatar, hovering over the costumes tab on the right of the page, and then selecting my costumes. Your characters can also be deleted from here by tapping the settings button and then delete. It's not currently possible to delete your saved characters on mobile, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe to my YouTube channel.